Today I'm going to teach you how to make an egg in the microwave. So first off, you crack the egg on a plate. Just crack one egg. Crack it on the crack it on the plate. Grab a fork. Do this with it. Kind of just like do that. You take the egg. You open the microwave. I want to see if there's nothing in here. Y'all, there's nothing in here. Just the egg. Right here. Do that. Set for 1 minute. So we'll watch the egg. You guys see that? It's turning. Yeah, it might pop a little bit. I gotta wait for that egg yolk to turn into an egg. Do you think it's ready?
I've never cooked an egg in the microwave.
I just gotta wait for a couple of seconds. Then you open it at the last 15 seconds. Plate might be a little hot, so you want to do this fast or get something else. Okay. You stopped at that. You grab a fork. You want to like crease the edges right here. And then you can make you an egg sandwich.
I don't want these sitting in my Jeep anymore. I don't want them to get stolen.
What is it?
The cameras from the house.
You don't need bread. Just eating an egg. So that's how you make it. An egg.